Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete your account on Messenger on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open your web browser and go to messenger.com, the web version of Messenger. Once you're on messenger.com, locate and click on the Settings option. This can usually be found in the menu or profile section of the website. Within the Settings menu, look for the Manage Account option. Click on this option to access account management settings. From the account management settings, find and select Deactivate your account. This option will guide you through the process of deactivating your Messenger account. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your decision to deactivate your account. You may need to provide additional information or complete certain steps to finalize the account deactivation process. By following these steps, you can easily delete your account on Messenger while using it on your PC. Take control of your online presence and privacy by deactivating your account when needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative in guiding you through the account deletion process on Messenger.